Hello everyone, this is Koteshwar Kumar here, and in this video I'm going to share what this lifelong learner is. So lifelong learner is a free personality development class which you can join to learn English, to practice your English, or to develop your skills. Skills like creativity skills, time management, public speaking, communication, critical thinking, leadership qualities. There are numerous skills which you can develop. So let me share what exactly we will do to develop all these skills. Every day we will share a new word and a new idiom with you which you will have to learn, that you will have to discuss with your friend in your class. After completing a week, you will have to come up with a story on Monday. In that story, you will have to use all the words and idioms whatever you would be learning in your classes. This will not just help you to recall all your words and idioms, but also help you to become more creative. On Tuesday, you'll have to participate in discussion and then grammar. On Wednesday, we will give you a novel to read. You will have to read and then you will have to discuss all the learnings of that novel with your friends. And then table topic. Table topic is an activity where you will be given a random topic to speak over that for a minute. And then Thursday. Thursday is for role play. We will give you a situation and then you will have to act accordingly. And then comes random learning. In random learning, we bring something interesting for students to learn. Very interesting, completely unexpected learning. And then Friday. Friday is all about debate. You'll have to do debate with your friends, you'll have to do debate with your peers, and then you will get relevant feedback for your performance. On Saturday is really very important day because whatever we are learning, we need to revise that. It becomes very important to revise whatever we are learning. And then we will give you few situations. We will ask you to share the positive things whatever you would be doing throughout your week. We will ask you to implement, and even whatever you would be implementing in your classes, we will appreciate you for every moment, for everything. This helps you to become more optimistic. This is all about this was a basic structure of our class, and to know more about our class you can contact us. Check out the description box, then you can contact us and we will share each and everything with you. You can join us, and thank you so much for giving your precious time to watch this video. Thank you so much. Meet you in next video. Thank you. Bye.